What's up, you dust?
You gotta look at this crawl rig.
Dude, that's gonna be cash.
It's sexy as hell.
I'm jealous. I might bum one of those from you if it works.
Of course.
I switched to a little swim bait. Check. This guy. Little minnow guy.
Oh, that's nice.
You got that other GoPro?
Yeah, it's in my car.
We're about to get on some smallies today, hopefully. Dude, have you ever caught one?
Oh, dude, I want to catch a smallmouth so bad.
Hope we can.
I want to hook into one though.
Yeah, we're about to go on this bridge. I caught one here last summer. I fished for like 30 minutes and caught one. So, if not, we can just like walk. Alright. This is the creek. Oh, we can do this. We can do this. Start over here. You have to jump down right there. So roll the ankle waiting to happen.
Let's hook into some smallies.
All right, I'm starting with this little minnow swim bait thing. Looks decent in the water. Whoa. Oh. Damn it. That sucked.
The mud flats got you? What? The mud got you?
The mud monster. So muddy. I'm about to leave my flip-flops behind.
Dude, if I was a fish, I would have nailed this craw jig by now. Like, man, I'm surprised. Are you about walking it?
Oh yeah, dude, I'm definitely down. Yeah, which way you want to go?
That way looks promising, but so does down here a little bit, dude. This creek just is fire.
Yeah, which way though? Call me Wade Davis. Not giving up on this minnow yet.
Smally? Yeah. Heck yeah, dude. Attaboy. What was that on?
Dude, I wasn't recording. Yeah. Well, I just caught this little smallmouth. I got him on the minnow. He hit it pretty close to me. But, of course I wasn't recording. Oh well, I'll get another one. Hopefully a bigger one.
Dude, I gotta catch my first smallmouth tonight.
Pretty fish. Not quite the size we're looking for. Oh, all right, bye. Dang, you guys missed a pretty sweet hook set on a 2-ouncer. Oh, another bite. Yo, I got more of these minnows if you want them. But we are on the move. Starting to wish I would have brought my flip-flops. This is just a straight up juice box over here. I'm about to catch one right here. All right, one more cast over here. Money. You know, you just like to be rewarded by good casts. Like, if I get my bait into a nice, juicy, difficult spot. Just eat it. Fish, just eat it. I just don't know, dude. Like, what I think looks like a really good spot, I just don't get a hit. On? Let's go!
That was like an okay one. That's a pretty good one, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Now let's go to a pond.
He popped out of the water, dude.
Oh, dude.
You drop shot of this?
No, Texas rig.
Oh, it's up. Oh, okay, I see.
First smally of my life. That's not bad, dude. That was fun. Dude, they go airborne. Let's get a release on this guy. There he goes. You heading down there?
Yeah, I'm gonna walk down.
All right, I'm coming.
Oh, I'm on. Let's go.
On a crankbait?
Yeah. Oh, he's running. Let's go. That's a better one. Yeah.
Pretty good size one.
It's better than my first one, that's for sure. Bang, bang. Off he goes. What are your thoughts on smallmouth?
First one of my life was legit.
Are you sold on creek fishing yet?
I am softening up to it.
Alright, well, we hit this creek. We ended up going to a new one that neither of us has fished before, and caught 3 smallies. It was pretty fun. We just don't really know what we're doing, to be honest, but
Any tips on creek fishing? Let us know.
hit us up with the smally tips. But they're fun to catch, and it's rewarding when you don't catch one for a while.
We're